Here we've got iPad Air from 2020, and let me show you how to personalize email signature on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select Mail, and then just go a bit lower where you'll notice signature. Just mark it, and here you can smoothly customize it by removing the current one, and now just enter the signature that you would like to have. So let me enter, it can be greetings from HardReset. Obviously you can enter here whatever you would like to have. You can bold something. Let me bold it. So this is the signature that will be applied right now. If you'll go back, you can see that it has been changed. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.